Hi, my name is Carlos Espinoza, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm going to be showing you how to make a pipe firework. No, I'm bored.
Me too.
You want me to show you how to make a pipe firework?
Yeah.
Come, I'll show you.
Hey, but first, I'm gonna go get some snacks for us.
I do that. And meanwhile, I'll show you guys how to make one. Alright, the things you'll need to make a pipe firework is you'll need a CO2 tank, a fuse, some tape, a nail, some black powder, and a hammer. Okay, to start, we're going to get the tank, place it onto a vice grip, or anything that you can think of to help hold it together. Then you're going to get the nail. Carefully place the nail on top of the hole of the tank, and then you're going to want to hammer it pretty hard because the hole on the tank is pretty tight and you want to make it bigger, so you just nail the hole in. Afterwards, take the tank out of the vice grip, grab a nail with the hammer, take it out. Afterwards, you stick the fuse into the newly enlarged hole of the tank. Place the fuse in. But first, you're going to put in the black powder. That's the most important thing. Don't forget. Carefully put it in, and then you're going to want to put the fuse in. Make sure to not put it too deep, because when you light it, you won't have enough time to scram away. Then you grab some tape and you just seal the fuse and the tank together, and after you tape the fuse and tank together, this is how it should look like. Everything's all sealed tight, black powder's in, fuse is in, we're done. Let's go light this, shall we? Good. Now, let's go see the effects of this pipe firework. Damn. It totally destroyed the plastic bottle. Pretty awesome. And that's how you make a pipe fire.